Happy birthday, Adrian! This green swirl swipe was created just for you. A swirl of deep forest and lime green, glowing just like your green lantern light. Brave, joyful and full of life.
With a joke or a smile, you chase clouds away. Your joy's contagious, your spirit's free.
Oh my goodness, this was such a fun video to make. I danced with my dear friend Jill and her beautiful horses. My sweet lab Eve and even hubby joined in, bribed with treats of course. So each colour palette today is carrying a little bit of you. So thank you so much to all my subscribers and my lovely members. You're here today on a joyful ride and I appreciate you so much. So welcome to my channel, where we're using the swipe fluid art technique to create some swirls just like Adrian likes. A huge shout out to the amazing Corrie alongside Adrian. The YouTube channel Art's Really Cool. Thank you to Moose from Moose Crazy's Art for producing Adrian's amazing birthday song. This video is a part of a surprise birthday collab lovingly organised by Corrie, your partner in creativity, love and life, bringing together 17 artists and friends from around the world to celebrate the wonderful green loving, light bringing soul that is you. Please check out the playlist which will be in the description and the pinned comments below, and you'll find all the creations of all the other artists in this collab. Today's joy is started by Donna, my dear friend Donna from It's Art by Donna, who is also a fan of green, and then followed before me by my sweet friend Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club, who's got some amazing drawings. And after me is Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy. My dear friend Kim, Talent Tuesday partner in crime. So after loading my palette knife with the special formula cell activator of Amsterdam copper with Australian Floetrol, for my part of the video I created a green swirl fluid art swipe, a dance of vibrant forest and lime green, copper glimmers and joyful energy. So I'm inspired by your green lantern spirit and your love of colour. This piece symbolises courage, Adrian, creativity and the bright willpower that shines from your heart. It was such a fun time filming this video, and at the end of the video I've got some uncensored bits, so you might want to have a giggle towards the end as you see all the animal antics that we get up to. So as I swipe through, I'm now using my palette knife to create more of a defined swirl, because I know just how much that Adrian loves a good swirl, and he references it to being the part of all creation, which of course it is. I moved the paints in flowing swirls and I'm watching them come alive using the blowtorch, blending, stretching, creating something new in every curve, a little like your creativity and energy, always expanding and inspiring. I danced with Jill's beautiful horses, my sweet lab Eve, and even mischievous hubby joined in, bribed with treats of course. So each swirl carries a piece of you, the courage in your heart, your playful spark and the warmth you bring to everyone around you. I use this special copper cell activator in the swipe because it shimmers of strength and warmth beneath the greens. They just felt so you, like hidden magic glowing through the layers. And I thought of your love of animals as well, from corgis like little Maxine to every furry friend that crossed your path, reflecting your kindness in wagging tails and muddy paws. So now we see the end of the piece, and I'm going to add something extra to it just before I show you some of the really fun footage of how we created the animal part of the video. There's a dash of spice for your fairy side, that copper, a swirl of calm for your yoga soul, and there's a sprinkle of sweetness to symbolise your love of oatmeal cream pies and Kinder eggs. You move through life like music, Adrian, a bit of a K-pop rhythm, a flash of green and a joyful roller coaster of heart and humour. It's such an honour to celebrate alongside 17 amazing artists in this collab that Corrie created. a tribute to your courage, kindness and beautiful green soul. Stay tuned to the end, because this uncensored behind the scenes animal antics made such a fun couple of hours. So enjoy the rest of this creation, and I'll come back towards the end to show you the end result and some fun animal footage. I'd love to know what you think of all these cells and this fluid art painting today, and what you think about the new copper cell activator using Amsterdam and Australian Floetrol. Don't forget to check out Art's Really Cool, the YouTube channel of Adrian and Corey, these superstars and totally amazing creatives. So we're coming towards the end now, and here's to another year of laughter, colour, swirling creation and cosmic joy. The world glows brighter because of you, Adrian, and thank you so much to Corey for bringing us all together. Your tireless efforts have made a dynamite collab, all these amazing artists. So I'll put the playlist for the whole collab in my description and comments below. And here's a little something to make you smile.
With a joke or a smile, you chase clouds away. Your joy's contagious, your spirit's free.
So here's some of the behind the scenes footage with Eve having a little rest after her dancing, and to the totally game families that joined in the dancing fun. The dancing, and my dear friend Jill was so game and up for it, and we had the most enormous couple of hours together with the horses, and they had a nice nibble along the way. So thank you all so much for being here. Some dancing, some laughter and some trying out some new things. I haven't been on a horse for many years, so I really enjoyed dear Bubba, who is this lovely superstar, Jill's horse, and then the horses relaxing and grooming each other at the end. Happy birthday, dear Adrian.
With a joke or a smile, you chase clouds away. Your joy's contagious, your spirit's free. You inspire us all just by being you. You see, raise your glass up high, let the music play. We're dancing for you, it's your special day. With your energy, you lead the way. Adrian, you brighten up our everyday.
Thank you so much for being here today. Keep shining, and don't forget, your art is a piece of you. And if you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe. It really helps me on my journey, and I love having you alongside with me. I hope to see you again soon. Let's go along to the next video. Kim from Kim's Art Alchemy. Take care now. Bye.